My name's Victoria, and I did the Food Freedom Foundation course. I was just beginning my health journey. I was diagnosed with sleep apnea, and I just wanted to tune into my health more and figure out if there's a way that I could lose weight to help mitigate those symptoms. This issue before joining. Learn more about how to live a healthy lifestyle, learn more about food, and just better ways to reach that healthy lifestyle that I was aiming for. I also wanted to lose weight so that I could, or learn how to start losing weight because I know this was a quick 6 week course, but I wanted to learn the skills to lay the foundation. I was worried about just like the time commitment. Did I have the motivation to do the work that was needed during this course? And I also always worry about my financials. Like, is this going to be worth the money that I'm putting into it? But that it was very worth it for me, and I'm glad that I did it. Yeah, so I actually don't have a scale just because sometimes it can be a little triggering for me, but I've been measuring my progress through my clothing sizes and I've definitely sized down in clothing I think like one or two sizes. And yeah, thank you. I also now have like a morning routine, which is something that I've struggled with, like implementing my whole life. I've always wanted to be able to say I'm a morning person and have that moment of calm before just like starting my work day. So that's like one of the things that I'm most proud of this course is just learning how to wake up early and just tweak my routine in a way that works for me. So I've also worked on my sleep schedule and just being more mindful throughout the day and having that more positive internal self-talk, which in general, like sometimes people don't connect that with overall health, but I'm really glad that this course connects all of those things because I feel like sometimes for me, it was just the tweaking my routines, and just figuring out what works for me because I sometimes like I would, try to force myself to do this and that, but I feel like the biggest positive of this course was approaching things with a curious mindset, trying something, seeing if it works, and then tweaking from there and giving us the room to like fail and then try again. I feel like that was the biggest takeaway for me is just having such an open space to like learn and grow in. I would definitely recommend it. I think it's something unique that you can't get a lot of places, just the looking at what the stress triggers and all the overall health and how that all interplays into one, your overall health. I think I would highly recommend it.